2017 Audi Q7. Just did an oil change on this. Thing's pretty fucking fancy, man. Now, gotta figure out how to reset this oil change. Just gotta start the engine first. Oh, screen's coming up. Now they say navigation's here. So select menu. Press button, center, vehicle. Slide left to the side. And go down to service checks. Oil level, check. Oil level will be displayed after approximately 2 minutes. The engine must be warm and switched off. Okay, let's go back. Let's go service intervals. Next oil change interval. Do you really want to reset the oil change? Yes, I just did it. And it's been reset. Let's go back. I want to shut the car off. Open the door. Screen's gonna go down. Restart it. Make sure the service went out. Front passenger airbag off. Okay, whatever. Let's go to menu again. Looks like we're good.